Okay guys, today I'm going to show you another free AI that you can use to make amazing videos that you can use for fun, but also to make money with Temu affiliate program. And literally only your imagination and creativity is the limit. So first thing you need to do, you need to choose your niche and you need to build an Instagram page, TikTok page, and also YouTube channel around that niche. So next thing you need to do, you need to find the products on Temu to promote. So let's say, for example, that I'm in dog niche and I just say I wish to promote dog beds. Okay, so simply search for dog bed. And here you can see there is lots of dog beds. So for example, let me just open this one here to see, is this actually good? And I need a good image. Okay, this looks like a good image. But also you can find a lots of good images on websites, for example, like Pexels, Pixabay and Unsplash. These websites will give you royalty-free images, and it is important to actually find vertical or portrait images because we wish to upload those videos on Instagram as a Instagram Reels. Also, we wish to upload it on TikTok and on YouTube as a YouTube Shorts, and that is why we need vertical images. So now when we have our product and when we have our images, so what we need to do, we need to go on a website called Pika.art. And here what you need to do, you need to click here on sign up now. And here you can sign up with your Gmail account, with Facebook, Discord, or you can simply sign up with any email. After that, you will come to your dashboard, and this is how your dashboard looks. Here you can see they have a lots of templates that you can use, and literally you can use any of these templates totally free. You don't have to pay anything. As you can see, these are actually really good templates. As you can see, all you have to do is just add your image or your prompt, and they will use this template or this template and make a video about that prompt that you just gave it. Okay, so what you need to do, you need to click here and you need to give it a prompt. You don't have to use these templates that they are providing. You can create video just from your own prompt. Okay, and let's just say I will give it prompt something like this. Okay, the dog comes and lies happily in his dog bed. Now it is important to say a dog bed, because if you just say bed, then it will add a simple human bed. That is why you need to add a dog bed. Now you can make a video just from your prompt, but you can also add an image. Just click here on image and find the image that you downloaded from one of these websites or that you downloaded from Temu. For example, this one here, but we won't make video just yet. So what you need to do, you need to click here, okay, advanced options. And here you can see negative prompts. Now you don't have to add negative prompts, but I would suggest you to add negative prompts. And you can say something like this, for example, ugly, bad, poor shots, disfigured limbs, grotesque features, and stuff like that. Add these things because they actually add sometimes some of these things. That is why I always suggest you to add negative prompts, okay? And also this is important because we are making videos for Instagram Reels, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. Here you need to choose 9:16 ratio. That is important. And just press enter, okay? And now just click here and it will create this video. But problem with this is actually Pika AI, Pika art actually takes a lot. When I say a lot of time to make these videos. Quite often it takes entire days, sometimes even 2 days to make these videos. Now to make it faster, you will need to upgrade, okay? And then it will take this much less time. But if you are on free program, this can take a lots of time. And I can use this to upload on my pages, on my social media. And you need to make videos like this every day. As you saw, you can find images for these videos on Pexels, on Pixabay and Unsplash, royalty-free images. And these are really good images. You can make really good videos. Literally, your creativity is only limit. After that, all you have to do is just go on your Instagram page and upload it as an Instagram Reels. And when you're uploading that video on Instagram, just add some interesting caption, as you can see here. Also, add some trending hashtags in your niche, because in that way you will increase your reach. More people will potentially see your video, and more people will watch that video, and more people will actually decide to click the link in your description, in your bio, and more people will decide to click on the link in your bio, and they will be redirected to this product here on Temu. Also upload it on TikTok as a TikTok video. Here you can see this guy here, these guys here, Pets Dance 7. They only make AI videos, as you can see, and their videos are getting literally hundreds of thousands of views. Look at this, 2 million views, 885,000 views, 605,000 views, 360,000 views, 500,000 views. These videos are getting lots and lots of views, and you can actually make lots of money from sponsored posts, but also from Temu affiliate program. Also, you can upload these videos on YouTube as a YouTube Shorts, and your YouTube channel will grow and you will start getting traffic. All you have to do is just add a link in the description of that Shorts video and you will start getting traffic. Now you need to upload these videos on Instagram, on TikTok and YouTube, because you wish to get as much traffic as you can, because in that way you will make more money with Temu affiliate program. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.